Looking to enjoy your pool year-round? The best pool heaters keep your water at the perfect temperature, whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool. From energy-efficient heat pumps to powerful gas heaters, these options combine performance, durability, and convenience so you can swim comfortably in any season. Starting at number 1. Hayward 400,000 BTU Natural Gas Pool and Spa Heater. The Raypak 266,000 BTU Digital Electronic Ignition Natural Gas Pool Heater, Model PR266AENC, part number 009217, is a durable and efficient solution for heating swimming pools and spas. Designed to withstand various weather conditions, it features an intermittent spark ignition pilot that only activates when there is a call for heat, ensuring both safety and energy savings. Constructed with advanced space-age materials, the heater cools quickly after use, eliminating the need for costly metal heat sinks. Gas-powered and built for versatility, convenience, and reliable performance, this heater delivers consistent warmth for your pool or spa all year round. Number 2. EcoSmart Smart Pool 18 Electric Tankless Pool Heater. The EcoSmart Smart Pool 18 Electric Tankless Pool Heater is an efficient and compact solution for heating your pool with precision and convenience. Delivering 18 kilowatts of power at 240 volts and 75 amps, this heater uses advanced self-modulating technology to adjust energy output based on your pool's needs, ensuring optimal performance and energy savings. Its tankless design means instant, on-demand heating without the need for bulky storage tanks, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Ideal for maintaining a comfortable swimming temperature, the EcoSmart Smart Pool 18 combines efficiency, versatility, and modern smart technology for hassle-free pool heating. Number 3. FibroPool FH270 70,000 BTU Electric Pool Heat Pump. The FibroPool FH255 55,000 BTU electric pool heat pump is a high-efficiency solution for heating both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 10,000 gallons. Operating at 240 volts, it delivers a COP of 5.92, providing excellent energy efficiency without the need for gas. Constructed with weatherproof steel, this heat pump is built to withstand the elements, while its digital control system allows precise and easy temperature management. Compact, reliable, and eco-friendly, the FibroPool FH255 ensures consistent, comfortable pool temperatures all season long. Number 4. AquaStrong Inverter Swimming Pool Heat Pump. The AquaStrong Swimming Pool Heat Pump is a versatile electric pool heater designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools up to 5,000 gallons. This unit offers both heating and cooling functions, allowing you to maintain the perfect pool temperature year-round. Its energy-efficient design ensures reliable performance while keeping operating costs low, and the durable construction provides long-lasting resistance to weather conditions. Compact and easy to use, the AquaStrong heat pump combines convenience, versatility, and efficiency for a comfortable swimming experience. Number 5. Raypak 266,000 BTU Digital Ignition Natural Gas Pool Heater. The Raypak 266,000 BTU Digital Electronic Ignition Natural Gas Pool Heater is a powerful and reliable solution for heating swimming pools and spas. Featuring digital electronic ignition with an intermittent spark pilot, it operates only when there is a call for heat, maximizing safety and energy efficiency. Built with advanced space-age materials, the heater cools quickly after use, eliminating the need for expensive metal heat sinks. Gas-powered and designed to withstand diverse weather conditions, this heater provides consistent, convenient, and versatile performance for year-round pool comfort.